Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use if plus x lookup function in Excel. So if you want to learn how to use if plus x lookup function, or you want to create an leave tracker in your Excel, so this video will show you how to do it. Here I have this list, employee list. Okay, this is leave status, and on the basis of this list I want to define whether the employee is eligible for leave or not. Okay, so the condition is if employee has 5 or more than 5 leave balance, okay, then she or he will be eligible for leave, otherwise the leave will be rejected. Okay, so we will use this formula if and x lookup to find out whether he is eligible or not. Equals to, then if, okay, then we will use one more function, this isna is we used isna because if any name is not present in this list and the name is present in this list, so what happened? Okay, so we will use isna, then we have to type x lookup. Okay, then it is asking for lookup value, so lookup value will be this. Okay, now comma, now lookup array. So now go to second sheet and first select this employee name, then comma, leave balance. Okay, now bracket close. Okay, then again close. Then if it is true, so what happened? If the name is not present in this list, so here name not found. Okay, then name not found will be written on the column or on the cell. Okay, now if name is present, then what happened? Then comma, if we will use if function again, and with if we will use x lookup. Okay, so lookup value will be again this name, comma, now lookup array. So lookup array will be this one. Okay, comma, this one, leave balance. Okay, then bracket close. Okay, then we will apply that condition, more than or equals to 5. If the leave is more or equals to 5, then what happened? Then inverted comma, leave approved. Okay, inverted comma close. If he or she has no more than 5, 4 or 3 leave balance, then what happens? Means if this condition is not applied to that employee, then what happened? Then leave rejected. Okay, now again inverted comma close, bracket close. Okay, so now you will see leave approved. Now we will copy this formula to the bottom of the table, and then you will see leave approved and rejected. Okay, if I write any name here, no. Okay, and I copy this formula here, then here you will see name not found. Okay, so like this you can use this if plus x lookup function for leave tracker. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.